This is Ashok Sharma, number 60, and 30 lakh opening bid. Do I have anywhere at all? 30 lakh for the first of the fast bowlers. All done? No bids in the room at all. Last chance, please do raise your paddle now. All through, and the player will remain. Thank you. KKR comes in. I saw KKR first. 35 goes to CSK. At 35 now, CSK is a bit ahead of you, KKR. 40 goes back to KKR. At 40 lakh, KKR's bid done. At 40 lakh, then it's with the Knight Riders. At 40 lakh, ahead of everybody else. Last chance if anybody else wants to raise that paddle. At 40 lakh, with the Kolkata Knight Riders and selling unless Rajasthan Royals, 45. At 60 lakh for Kolkata. 65 for Rajasthan. At 65 lakh Rajasthan's bid. Let's see if Kolkata... 70 lakh, indeed they are. 70 lakh now bid with KKR, 75 lakh with Rajasthan. At 75 lakh. Done. At 75 lakh with Rajasthan. Anybody else coming in? Ahead of the Rajasthan Royals now. At 75 lakh with the Royals, ahead of all the other teams now in the room. Last chance, Gujarat would like a second. Indeed, they've come in. Welcome. 80 lakh for Gujarat. At 80 lakh, Gujarat's bid at 80 lakh. At 80 lakh, Rajasthan is thinking. At 80 lakh. With the Titans. Done. The Royals are out, the Titans are in at 80 lakh with the Titans up front. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 80 lakh, the bid is up front, 85, Kolkata comes back. At 90 lakh with the Gujarat Titans, Kolkata ponders their next move. Done. At 90 lakh, Kolkata is out. It's with the Gujarat Titans. At 90 lakh, last chance for any other team as well. At 90 lakh now, all through, all done then, and selling for the Gujarat Titans then at 90 lakh. Titans, that's yours at 90 lakh. This is Jason Holder from the West Indies, the all-rounder from the West Indies. And let's open at 2 crore, please, for Jason Holder. At 2 crore, do we have any interest from any of the teams? At 2. Thank you, CSK. At 2 crore, I have the Chennai Super Kings coming in. Anybody else coming in ahead of Chennai? At 2 crore, then, we will sell to the Super Kings if everybody else is completely sure. Gujarat Titans, 2 crore 20. Thank you. 3 crore is up front with the Titans at 3. 320 for CSK. 4 crore, 420. Thank you, sir. The Titans have bid 4 crore 20. 580 for the Titans, 6 crore for the Super Kings. 620 for Gujarat. 640. Thank you, sir. Chennai Super Kings at 640. 660. Say the Titans. 680 for the Super Kings. 7 crore for the Gujarat Titans at 7 crore. Okay, 7 crore. We have a request to hang on for a moment. Done. At 7 crore, then CSK is out. It's with the Titans at 7 crore now. Up front with the Gujarat Titans. Anybody else coming in? At 7 crore, then Jason Holder is with the Gujarat Titans. And I'll sell. Last chance if anybody else wants to come in. All through then and selling to the Gujarat Titans at 7 crore. Up front for you at 7. This is Tom Banton from England, the English wicket-keeper Tom Banton. And let's open at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, do we have any interest in the English wicket-keeper? At 2 crore. At 2 crore, all through, all done, and Gujarat Titans comes in. Thank you so much. At 2 crore and selling up front to the Titans here at 2 crore. For you at 2 crore for the Gujarat Titans. Thank you so much. This is Prithviraj Yara the bowler from India. And let's open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh. Do I have a bid anywhere at 30? At 30 lakh, anywhere at all from the teams that are still bidding. Thank you, Gujarat Titans at 30. At 30 lakh, the bid is with the Titans. Anybody else coming in? And selling up front for the Gujarat Titans then at 30 lakh. Prithvi Ajara up front at 30. This is Luke Wood, the bowler from England. And let's open at 75 lakh, please. At 75 lakh. Do we have any interest at 75? At 75 lakh for Luke Wood. Do I have a bid? Thank you, Titans. I do. At 75 lakh, the bid is up front with the Gujarat Titans and selling then all through at 75 lakh. For you, the Titans at 75 lakh. Luke Wood goes to you.